Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the last day in my 12 Days of Palettes series. The final palette that we're using today is the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It took me a while to pick my last palette, but I feel like this was one of those that I really wanted as soon as I saw the pictures online, and I really want to use it again today. I have done a full review here on my channel on this palette already that I will link if you haven't seen it, but we're going to create a new look today. If you're interested in seeing the look that I create with the Carli Bybel palette, please keep watching and please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and get started. this is the final look. I love this. I love how this turned out. So I wanted to use more of the warm tones in the palette today because in my first video I used mainly the cooler purple tones. So I really wanted to try out these shades, and this turned out really, really pretty. I really, really love those colors together. They blend so well. I mean, like Anastasia shadows for me usually do. These blended so well and go so well together. I absolutely love how this turned out. That is going to be it for today's video, and this is the end of my 12 Days of Palettes series. I hope you all have enjoyed seeing me use a new palette every single day for 12 days in a row. It's been a struggle to film and edit that many videos, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to anyone that watches any of my videos, subscribes, gives me a thumbs up, anything like that. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. I will be back tomorrow with my favorite drugstore products of 2019. So I'm excited to share all of those with you. Thank you again for watching and supporting my channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember, simply be you. Bye.